Hey gang, welcome back to Ski Play Live TV. I have to tell you a story. I was climbing up in Big Cottonwood Canyon, which is where I am right now. And you see my little car? I started loading stuff into my car when I realized that my window had been busted out. And it turns out that it's a thing here in Big Cottonwood Canyon. There's still little bits of glass left over in my car. So I parked to climb today. And this is the first time that I've been back in Big Cottonwood Canyon, and I gotta show you and do a little walk around because this is pathetic. We came climbing at the S-curves, and here in the pullout, you've got the remnants of another smash and grab, and this stuff looks relatively fresh. Where I parked, you can see the sparklies from somebody who got their window shattered. And let's just walk around here. I mean, this is so ridiculously lame that it's happening here in our backyard. And the whole time that I was climbing today, I was trying to keep an eye on my car because I'm all, somebody's gonna come and they're gonna knock out my window again. So look, right here, more. All this. This sucks. And I'm pissed off. The cops have done nothing. They haven't caught anybody. They assume, well, it's the credit card's problem at this point. And you can see here, more glass right here. This parking lot, oh, here, look here too. This is a popular pullout for some great hiking and rock climbing. And it's like a target, I guess. Come park here so you can get robbed. And I really hope that somebody comes with their car, puts a bag on their seat, and sits and waits. I'd be willing to do it if somebody else wanted to keep me company, because it could be a long day. But this shouldn't happen in our canyon, and the cops should make a bigger effort to catch these guys. So anyway, that's my rant, and I hope that you get outside and you protect your car. Here's some things that the police did say to do. Make sure that if somebody looks in your car, I mean, my climbing stuff is in there now because I just got done. But they look in and they don't see a bag on the seat or on the floor or a jacket that maybe has something in the pockets, nothing on your dash. Put everything in the back, especially if you have, see, you can't see anything in the back. Some people have said, well, just leave your car unlocked. But I really don't want to give access to somebody to just go rummaging through my car. It cost me $130 to replace my window. If you come to a parking lot at your favorite hike or climb and you see glass all over, you can park at your own risk. You might be better off parking right on the side of the road where all the traffic keeps coming by. Might be harder for someone to do a smash and grab. But also, and one thing I did do when I first parked here is I went and I looked at all the cars that were parked to see if there was anybody sitting in their car, laying in wait for the person who gets out of their car and leaves. Because if you are parking here, it means you're going to be gone for hours. If you see somebody just sitting in their car, take a picture of their license plate. Maybe knock on their window and ask them if they need any help. So we need to take care of our neighbors, guys. This is crazy.